Hey guys, it's Riley from FixPectus.com.
Hey guys, it's Fabio.
And in today's video, we are going to do a bodyweight street workout, 30-minute one for Pectus. So specifically with that, we're targeting key muscle groups that will help mask your condition when you develop them: the chest, the abs, the obliques, and the back. And so yeah, this is just a bodyweight workout that you can do. You know, I get a lot of requests for this, so we're going to show you a really time-efficient 30-minute bodyweight workout that you can do. So yeah, follow along and enjoy. So first up, we're doing muscle ups, 3 sets of 10. Well, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. I was aiming for 10 reps each set. Pat is learning the muscle up, so he was using a band for assistance. And we are doing kipping muscle ups in this. So you know, when you're kipping, obviously it's taking away from the exact tension on the muscle. If you do things strict, you're getting more tension. But don't underrate kipping movements. Kipping movements are still hard and they still get you a good pump and still work your muscles a lot. You know, with the muscle up, you still got to use your lats to get you up, even when you're kipping, and then you still got to use your chest and your triceps to push out. So you know, these 3 sets of 10, I got a solid chest pump, even with kipping. And so it enables you to get more volume in, and it's good to work on body coordination with some kipping movements every now and then as well.
Yeah, I used to think kipping wasn't so good until I actually started doing it and realized how tough it still is.
It still is so tough.
And how much more volume you can get in as well.
Yeah, you're getting more volume, and it actually makes it kind of cardio-y as well. So you're getting like muscle endurance, cardio, and strength, and muscle hypertrophy. So there are benefits to it. You know, obviously strict has its place as well, for sure, and you know, muscle building program, it should be the cornerstone, but kipping still has its place. So yeah, we're resting about 2 minutes 30 between sets here, trying to have big sets and work on quality with these muscle up. Then we moved on to an EMOM. An EMOM means every minute on the minute. So we have 3 movements in this movement. So on minute 1, we were doing 10 strict pull-ups. On minute 2, we were doing 20 push-ups. And on minute 3, we're doing 10 strict leg raises. And then we repeat that cycle. So then on minute 4, you go back to the pull-ups, minute 5 push-ups. And so by the time it's been 15 minutes for this EMOM, you've done 5 sets of everything. And again, this is a good way to get a higher degree of intensity, limited rest, you'll get a really good pump, it'll work your muscle endurance, and you'll build muscle tissue at the same time. So yeah. And then lastly, we finished with abs. For this, we did 30 seconds, 30 seconds for each movement. So 30 seconds on a side plank on your left side, 30 seconds on your right side, 30 seconds in a hollow hold, no rest between, then 30 seconds rest. So it's 2 minutes for that round, 3 rounds, so that's 6 minutes. So in total, this workout should take you 30 minutes, and it was a good pump.
Yeah.
Sweet, thanks guys.